Ano naman po sa tingin po ninyo ang na-achieve natin today, yung laman po mismo?
Well, yung prosecution, no, dahil sila po yung nagpresenta ng kanilang pangalawang witness, in my humble opinion, again, ay na-establish ng prosecution yung gusto nilang goal or yung purpose nila. Kasi ito pong si Attorney Lotok, no, yung kanilang second witness, he narrated yung proseso, yung mabusising proseso from the identification of evidence, collection of evidence, analysis, and the legal evaluation or conclusion. Also, yung kanila palang investigasyon ay hindi lamang focus doon sa separate or isolated na video na pinakita. Bagkus, sila din ay nagkaroon ng comprehensive investigation, meaning yung mga circumstances before that said conference and after that said conference ay kanila ding inimbestigahan. So it reinforced the proposition that they indeed just performed their duty doon sa NBI. At talaga namang sumunod sila sa proseso at inimbestigahan talaga nila ng maayos itong kasong ito.